हेलो गाइस, आज हम फीडबैक लेने वाले हैं हमारे कस्टमर का जिसने हमारे पास से आज लैपटॉप लिया है। हेलो सर, हाउ यू आर डूइंग? वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर। ओके सर, आपको लैपटॉप कैसा लगा?
It's good laptop and good place for company, for self business, for education, for everything. Good laptop and good brand and good price.
Thank you so much, Adil ji. Do you find we have like more specs of laptops, multiple brands? Do you see more brands, or do you got the options from us? More options?
Here more than 7-8 option. I confused it before because no more option is there here.
Okay.
And Lenovo and Dell and Acer and HP and Apple. More option is there, more brands are here.
Thank you guys. As you can see, we have more options available. Whatever you want, sir, we have those laptops. So what are you waiting for? Just come to the laptomart.com store and buy the laptop today. Thank you.